In this Ailabtools review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Ailabtools. Ailabtools is a software that offers 30 AI image processing tools. This is what you should see once you have first created your account or even logged in. This is the home page or the dashboard page pretty much, and this is where it features all of the tools available in the Ailabtools software. So I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into each feature. So right here on the main menu, up in the top left hand corner, we have the Ailabtools logo. This is actually clickable, and it should always take you to this main page once you have clicked it. To the right of that we have the home section, takes you to the same page as clicking the logo. To the right of that we have the AI solutions section. This is where all of the tools within the software are listed. You have image technology, where it has a lot of tools here, from image enhancement to image editing. Below that we have human and face. This is where it has any face attributes AI tools. And then finally AI background removal, and we have universal or even portrait. Back to the AI solution, to the right of that we have the price. This is where you can go ahead and actually price up the software and buy it if you wish to do so. To the right of that we have the blog section. You can go onto the Ailabtools blog if you want to. To the right of that we have the API section, and then finally the support section. This is where any support would be. All the way over to the right we have the language section, where you can actually go ahead and change the language of the software if you are or speak a different language. And then finally to the right of that we have the account section, where you click on that you can edit any account details, settings, anything like that. So overall the software is pretty minimalistic. It goes straight onto this area right here where it has the Ailabtools platform. Let the world enjoy the fun of AI and make AI empowerment easier, empowering different scenarios, allowing AI to better serve enterprises, institutions and individuals. So it pretty much gives you a little two-liner on how the AI would work and how it can actually improve and help any customers. Moving on down to the next bit we have image technology. This is where the first place is listed. It's listing the first AI tool, which is the AI Colorize Photo Online tool. This is where you can go ahead and just colorize any photos. It has two more listings right here to the right hand side for more image technology. Scrolling on down, then it lists the human and face section. This is where it has any face beauty, and then right below that it has three listings: AI skin beauty, AI makeup, and even cartoon yourself if you want to go ahead and do that with the AI software. Right below that we have the AI background removal listings. This is the human background removal, universal background removal, and the animal background removal. And that's pretty much it for the whole listings. All of the tools are down here at the bottom, or even again at the top with the AI solution. So scrolling back up to the top, we're going to go ahead and go onto the AI solutions and click on image technology and just click on any one of these. Let's go ahead and go with image cropping. Once you've clicked one of the tools, it should take you to this page. This page is just in between going to the tools and the software, and then it just gives you what you're actually going on to, and then you can go ahead and click start now once you have decided you want to start. Once you have clicked start now, it should take you to another page, and this is where you can actually land upon the Ailabtools editor page. This is where you have again your editing page and where all the tools are actually used. Right here to the left hand side you can see you have the AI image, the AI portrait, and the AI background remover. Those are the three main sections that were on the main area to begin with. So it pretty much has all of it here once you land upon it, but you can go ahead and go back to the main page if you want to do that as well. You also have an adjust section if you want to adjust any features, and then a text section if you want to add any text. So right here it says drag or upload your own images, or you can just click this button to upload your own images if you want to go ahead and actually upload your own and edit your own images that you wish to add to the software. Right below that we have some presets which we're going to choose for the sake of the review, since I don't actually have any photos to upload right now. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this bus image since it does appeal to me the most, and we're going to try and edit that using the Ailabtools editor and all of the tools featured. So once I go ahead and click on this image, it should open up my image like this. As you can see on the right hand side we have an open image section if we want to change our image. Right here we have the image we're actually using it, and you can go ahead and actually download. Down here to the bottom right of the actual image, it shows you how big the pixels are, whether you can zoom in and out, and then that's pretty much it for that. On the left hand side we actually have the image editing section, and this is the one we clicked on to begin with to get on the Ailabtools editor page, image cropping. So you can go through this, it's like a normal photo editor. You have back and forward, you have the trash, and then you have the delete all. You have again all the sections on the left hand side which stayed there, and then again the main area which you clicked on to begin with. So we're going to go ahead and go through the image cropping section to see what it actually does. So as it says here, image cropping, through the artificial intelligence algorithm, the specified size transformation of the picture is carried out, and this function will automatically determine the position of the subject area and use the best cropping method. So once you've actually gone ahead and clicked on this section, you want to go ahead and actually have your target width and target height. This is what you will use to be cropping your image. So you can go ahead and just type in here, let's go with 100, or let's go with 1000 for the target width, because our image is 1280 by 853. So we're going to go with 1000 for the target width, and then we're going to go with 500 for the target height. Just some random numbers to see if the cropping actually works. So once you've done that and entered your numbers, you can go ahead and click confirm. It should go ahead and take a few seconds to load, but not too long, and then it should confirm and crop your image. And there you go, it's went ahead and cropped the image in real time, and that is my image now. It's 1000 by 500, and I now have the right cropped image. So that's a pretty cool feature. Again, pretty cool tool within the Ailabtools editor. A lot like most image editing softwares though. So next we're going to go onto the left hand side onto the AI portrait section. Once you click on that and click on the face attributes, it should take you to this section. Now we're going to go ahead and actually click one of these and see if they actually use the AI to its best abilities. So let's go with the face stylized portrait to see if we can get this image looking like a drawn on portrait or a drawn on image. So once you click that and actually click one of these, you can either have different output forms from a full body shot to even a mug shot. We're going to go ahead and go with the full body shot since we want the full image. Once you click that, again it should take a few seconds to load, not too long, but it's went ahead and said operation failed. This is because the AI has actually recognized there is no faces within this image. Again, at least none up close. There's some down here, but there's none up close. So we can't actually use this image or these areas for the software since we don't have a face on our image. However, if you did, it would go ahead and add these output forms to your image and give you the results you wanted. So let's go ahead back to the left hand side and go on the AI background remover, and then once you click on that you can go on universal and then click one of these background removals. We're going to actually go ahead with vehicle background removal since we do have a vehicle right here in the middle of the image. We're going to go ahead and click vehicle background removal, and then it should take a few seconds to go ahead and remove the vehicle in the image. Now it's actually said operation failed. I did not expect it to do that. That's a pretty bad feature within the Ailabtools editor since again there is a vehicle, this is the vehicle background remover, and it hasn't removed the background. Again, that's a bad feature, and I don't think that I'd want that to happen if I was actually using an image properly. So back to the left hand side, next we can go into the adjust section, and this is where you can actually just manually crop anything like that. You click crop, freeform, or even just click any one of the presets, and then once you've done that you can go ahead and click apply right here, and it should apply your crop. Finally, we can go ahead and add any text if we want to, but again, there's nothing too much. You'd go ahead and just draw or even add any text, but we're not going to do that because that is pretty self-explanatory, and if you want to go ahead and do that to your image, you can do that as well, as easy as just adding it like that and clicking add text. So there you go, that's pretty much it for the Ailabtools editor page. Once you go back to the main page like this, it should pretty much be fulfilled. All of these areas that we could have clicked on are all listed in the Ailabtools editor page, so you don't actually have to keep coming back to this main page, and this is pretty much where everything is, and the editor page is where everything is fully. And there you go, that is it for the Ailabtools editor software. Overall, I think it's a great software. There's a few ups and downs, but a few features I like is how all of the listings are listed in the same area. Once you click on one and go to the editor page, you can actually just switch between them rather than going all the way back to the home page. I also like how it's a free software to begin with. you get 5 different picture edits, and then you can go ahead and buy the software if you actually like it. So again, there's another feature that I don't really like, is the fact that sometimes the AI isn't really responsive. It's not very well integrated if it doesn't actually come up with the results I asked for, which is a pretty bad feature that I think should be fixed. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Again, there is a few good features with the AI, however it is a bit bad in some areas. Overall, I think it's a decent software. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.